Today, we're making one of China's most beloved home-style dishes, tomato and egg, and I'm giving it my own twist with house-made chili crisp for extra heat, texture, and aroma. Let's get started. I'm using Roma tomatoes. I've blanched it, scored it, and removed the skin. And this will allow the tomato to break down easily, helps with visual appeal and texture, enhancing the dish overall. Straightforward ingredients are salt and pepper to season, some of the white part of the green onion sliced, the green part also sliced for garnish, 2 cloves of garlic chopped. I'm using my house-made chili crisp. I have a recipe for this. You can take a look if you want to make it, or you can purchase it in your Asian supermarket. Don't forget 4 eggs, and this will serve 2 people easily. Start by whisking or beating the eggs. I have a wok, or you can use a pan on medium to high heat, and the first thing we're going to do is cook the eggs. White pepper is the preference, as it's not as robust and as bold or pungent as black pepper. So in this type of dish, white pepper works perfectly. So whisk that in and season with a little salt. I also have a little cornstarch and water on standby to thicken the sauce if necessary. Half a teaspoon of cornstarch with a little bit of water is all you need. Okay, my pan is hot, and I also have a tray on standby to put the eggs in once cooked. So this will be quick. Put a good amount of oil. I'm using a stainless steel pan here. I don't want the eggs to stick on the bottom of the pan, and I'm doing this in 2 batches. Every family makes this dish a little differently. Some versions are sweeter, some savory, and others almost soup-like. It's quite versatile because you'll also see additions like shrimp, tofu, hudia mushrooms, extra scallions depending on the region and household. The key here is keeping the egg soft while the tomatoes melt into a light sauce. These eggs are done. Let's remove and work on the second batch. So clean out the pan, add a little oil and start with the white parts of the scallions. Sautee for a few seconds, add in the chopped garlic. About 2 cloves there, that's very essential and does not come off as pungent as it seems. It's time to add in the tomatoes and let it cook on gentle heat until it breaks down and becomes soft and juicy. Just stir it at intervals and try not to purposely break them down. And if you're cooking this in your kitchen, you'll have a wonderful aroma of those tomatoes and garlic cooking. Add a little water or stock to help it break down. And now to add some more flavor, I'm using my seasoned soy. You can check out my recipe, or you could use a all-purpose soy sauce or seasoning soy. And once again, I season this with white pepper. Add the ketchup, and ketchup works well in this dish as it fortifies the flavor. It adds umami and balances acidity and sweetness. It basically improves overall consistency of the dish in texture and flavor. The tomatoes need to break down further, so I'll add a little bit more water to the tomatoes. Taste it for doneness and seasoning. The sugar isn't here to make the dish sweet. It balances the acidity of the tomatoes and rounds the flavor. Prepare a cornstarch slurry by mixing a little water with that half teaspoon of cornstarch. Now it's time to add the chili crisp. That goes in, give it a stir. The tomatoes are breaking down nicely, just as we want them to. And now we create a nice contrast of sweet and heat. Always taste while cooking. At this stage, I'd only need a little cornstarch slurry just to tighten up that sauce. This is the consistency I'm looking for, and it's now for the most interesting part, adding the eggs to the tomatoes. The eggs and tomatoes here are a winning combination because the richness of the eggs balances the acidity of the tomatoes. Tomatoes brings brightness and acidity, whilst the eggs bring about richness and softness, and together they become pure comfort food. So a final tasting, I will add a little salt and a sprinkle of white pepper once more. It's time to serve. Let's add some of that chili crisp on top for contrast and heat. And a sprinkle of green onions to complete the dish. And there you have it. A simple and delicious egg and tomato recipe. Simple food done properly always wins. This is comfort food with just a few ingredients and a hot pan. If you enjoyed this recipe, I have a series of wok cooking videos coming soon. So, like and subscribe for more simple and delicious recipes from Majid's Kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.